Here's a way on how you can unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. First, you'll want to open your TikTok app. Once in TikTok, click the profile at the bottom right part of the screen. Click this icon on the top right part of the screen. Next, click the Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, scroll down and you'll find the Report a Problem option under the Support and About category. Once you re on the Report a Problem page, click the Account and Profile under the Topic section. You'll now be in the Account and Profile page, and at the bottom part you can see the Profile page. Once you click it, options will appear, and you'll need to scroll down and tap Other. Click Need More Help. After clicking it, TikTok will ask you to state your problem. Here, you'll ask TikTok to help you unfollow everyone on TikTok. Once done, you'll just need to wait for TikTok to take action. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you were able to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once without any problems. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to ask.